Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check the flight status using the airport in the Avelo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the flight status button. And at the top of the page, as you can see, there are two options: to search by airport or to search by flight number. And in this case, we will need the airport. So just click on that in case it's not already there. And then you have to set the departure date. And then you have to set the departing airport. And then the arriving airport. And then click on the See Flight Status button, and your flight status will appear here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.